Hi Dressy Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Bananya, so let's get started. To draw this cute white cat that lives in a banana, let's first start by drawing a big curve on the top of the head, for the top of the head. So let's come right here and I'm just going to draw a wide curve, about this much. And then I'm going to come to the sides and draw 2 ears. So 2 points right there, and same thing over here. Curve, round off the tip, and come down. Then from there, I'm going to imagine this is coming down to about right here. I'm going to bring down a curve for the head. So same thing, just imagine this curve is coming through and down. And then before we finish everything else, let's come back to the ears. And right here at this corner, I'm going to come down with a curve. And imagine this coming down, I'll create a curve right here. So same thing here at this tip area, bring down a curve and another curve to continue. Then from there we can go ahead and draw the face. So let's bring this down a little bit more. Right here and here. And so about right here, I'm going to stop and give myself a point right in the center. So I'm giving it a pretty good amount of forehead area. So it's below the ears. I'm going to come right here and draw a straight line down and then curve it out for the nose and mouth area. Then I'm going to connect it right here with a long curve for the mouth. And then let's come to the sides about right here. I'm going to draw a circle for the eyes. And let's come right here and give it a highlight and shade everything else in. So same thing on the other side, about right here. And a highlight. And shade it in. Then from there, I'm just going to come top of the eye and just draw a soft curve. And let's see here. So then now that we have that in, let's come about right here, and I'm going to stop. If you're using a pencil, definitely just finish this curve first. But I'm going to stop about right here, and I'm going to draw this big curve for a hand that's waving there. And then we can continue this curve down there. And let's continue this one down and let's come across. So we're going to have to draw the other hand. So let's come about right here, and I'm going to angle a little bit right here. So this is the beginning of where the cat is in the banana. So about right here, right underneath the mouth, I'm going to stop, and then here I'm going to draw the other hand. So it's not a curve and bring it up. From there, whatever space you have left, just go ahead and finish it off. Bring this in. So then just imagine this is coming through. So about right here, I'm going to pop out another curve, and I'm going to bring this up. And connect. From there, let's draw the whiskers before I forget. So kind of like where the eye area is. I'm just going to come right here and draw 2 angle lines. And here as well. From there, let's start to draw the banana. So right here on this corner, I'm going to come out and pop out a curve right there. And on this side as well, just pop out a curve. So you just want to make sure there's this angle, these 2 angles, so that we can start to draw the banana. Then from there, I'm going to, let's say about right here underneath this arm, I'm going to come about right here. Just give myself a point. So this is kind of like where it, the corner is, I guess, of where the cat is in there. So this is the point right here in the center. So I'm going to use that as my guide. And I'm going to come down and down. So these are going to be where the 2 flaps of the banana peel will start. So let's bring this down and say about that much. Same thing here, and we're just going to meet it, bring it in, round off this tip and bring it in. So that's the first peel, and we're going to do the same thing on this side. So this side is thinner because it's on the side, but we're bringing it about to the same level. So put right here, round off and connect. There. So you just want to make sure this point is at the corner of these two angles. Then from there we can go ahead, just imagine this cat is in a banana, right? So we just want to make sure the bottom of our banana is at least the same width, if not bigger than this cat. So say about right there. And so same thing, imagine this, so about right here. The banana is going to start, and let's bring this down. I'm going to angle it slightly just to give our banana a slight curve. So it's going to get thinner as we come down, and bring this in. So about right here, I'm going to pop in and come out. And for this part right here, let's continue it down. So remember, we're getting thinner, so let's give it a little curve right here and out. So now it's meeting for the bottom of our banana. And so now we're going to come right here, give it a little angle, and we're going to connect for the bottom of the banana. So you just want to create these two angles to connect, and then come right here at this corner, go straight across, and then we're going to angle it down right there. And I guess you can come in here and just shade this part in black. And then for the other flap right here, let's come over here, and I'm going to start about right here. So at this corner, let's come down, and same thing, round off the corner, just be a little bit shorter and bring it in. And then we can thicken this, so let's bring this curve in. So then for some details on this peel right here, I'm going to bring another curve just to give our peel here some volume, and then same thing here. So about right here, I'm just going to follow my curve and taper out. And taper out. There. And let's see if I'm missing, oh yes, I'm missing something right here. So right here in this corner area, I'm going to draw a curve to give our banana some volume. So I'm going to bring this curve, kind of following this, and right here, very important, I'm going to curve and curve. So we just want to kind of follow this part right here. There. You don't need to connect it if you don't want to. We're just going to flick it out like that. And that is pretty much it for this cute white cat that lives in a banana. But before I go, I'll add a heart right here to decorate this cat's house and make it my Draw Bananya. I really hope you love this cat and that I made this fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bells so you won't miss any new Draw videos. See you later.